What's up, everyone? This is your boy Suave, and I'm back with another video. If you clicked on this video, this is for the crankshaft position sensor. Long name. So it's very easy to locate and take off. This is for the LT1 engine or LS engine. This is a Camaro, but you know, Firebirds, same thing. First you want to do is undo this clip right here. And pull that to the side. Then you want a 5x16 socket. Then get your extension. These extensions and sockets just come in a regular socket set. So no need to panic. Any kind of extension to do. Get on that bolt. It's not going to be difficult to take off. I loosen it up, so I'm going to use my extension to unscrew the rest of it. So if your car been like, when you push on the gas, it act like you wanna shut off, and you tried everything else, and you do the service light. You see a service light on your car, and you use the code's telling you this, it's probably this. So you wiggle the old part out. It's not that difficult to do. Take the old part off. The new part, what you're gonna do, you wanna place some clean oil around the rubber part right here, and then wiggle it back in, and then just put your bolt back in. That is all, man. So I hope this video was helpful to everybody. Until next time, Suave out.